Morning everyone, we are now in St Malo. Basically we arrived yesterday. I don't know why I'm so overexposed. We arrived yesterday, we went from Poole to Cherbourg, drove down from Cherbourg to St Malo where we're going to meet everyone. I didn't record anything yesterday, so I'm sorry for that. This is my friend Simon.
Hello.
So yeah, we're just waiting for everyone. They're apparently coming in 2 minutes. And then we're going to meet up with them and get cracking. I don't really know what the plan is, but today we start the cycle down to the south of France. Woo. The other part of the group's arrived now. Just unloading the thousands and thousands of bicycles. Alright, we are about to head off now. So you're probably going to see some filming from my phone in complete portrait style, so I apologise, but banger! But yeah, let's try and make it to the next checkpoint. The weather could definitely be worse. This is lovely. Well, hello my DIY nomads. The first day of cycling is down. It wasn't too hard. We managed to do it was a bit of a shorter day than what we're actually mainly planning to do. But we had a really good day today. It was really epic, a really good laugh. So I didn't film very much. If you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe below. It really helps me out and everything. And now that we've hit that 10k barrier, it's just onwards and upwards from here. And I've got some really good news to report about the curtains. The fabric bulkhead that I put together. Well, I say I put together. Soph very generously managed to sew a lot of the edging to hem it in so it didn't like fray and everything. So huge thank you to her, and I will link her channel below as well. Really nice, like great useful sort of thing, and it genuinely made it cozier in the van. It kept a lot of the warmth in, but actually in the morning found out that there was not a huge amount of condensation on the windscreen, a lot less than if there was nothing at all. But yeah, the van's been a beast, absolutely loving it. Really like these new captain chairs, and the fact that we can run down the centre here and get into the back, that has made such a difference. You don't even understand. I don't even know how I was living with like the double passenger seat out front. It was just a nightmare. So onwards. I will catch all of you guys, well, maybe a bit later, maybe in the morning. We'll see how it goes. Morning everyone. I woke up to a sea of havoc in the house because I woke up late. So I'm going to swap over to all my cycling gear. See you in a bit. Alright everyone, we are cracking along now with the cycle. Come to this very beautiful part, going through a nice bit of woodland. We've just done our first really big hill. This is like a pretty small hill, but it's very long. But I'm feeling good. Might not sound like it, but I am. There it is. Day 2, halfway through the day done. And I got the easy route out now. I get to switch over with Simon, and he does the next half. So I've got to say a massive amount of respect for the guys here that are doing the full thing. We've done, what, 48 miles today? That's my shift. And there's a similar amount ready to go for the other half. But it was one of the longer days. We've got a shorter day tomorrow. But actually the Friday before we start to head back from the south of France, there's over 100 mile a day. So that is going to be a hefty one. These guys are really on it, and super amount of respect for it, and raising money for such a cool cause as well. morning once again, everyone. It is actually a bit of a chilly morning. I thought I'd brave it and try not putting on the heater last night. But it's like just at the point of being like, you know, a bit too nippy when you get out of bed. So I'm thinking what I might do is, so I'm not overheated in the night, is wake up a little bit earlier, slam on the heater, put up with the noise, and then 1 hour later the van will be nice and toasty, ready for me to actually get out of bed properly and have breakfast, and it'll be nice and cozy in here. As you can see, I'm using my table. It's actually really amazing. I never thought I'd appreciate a table so much. Time to chow this down, get the bicycle ready, and we're going to crack on for our third day of cycling. And I think today is almost as long as yesterday. And the furthest I think I've ever cycled, I think, was 10 miles in one go. And yesterday I did 48. So PB definitely smashed. Let's get crack-a-lacking. Right, everyone, as you can see there, it is 9 degrees inside of the van. It says it's 7 degrees outside. And this is the condensation level that we're talking about with the fabric bulkhead. Now, obviously the sun's hit that bit in the morning and kept it clear and dry. That side isn't actually that bad at all. This, although there is moisture there, it's surprisingly a surprisingly low amount compared to what I've had before, even with an interior one. I'm wondering what I can do to maybe improve it, to maybe completely categorically assure me in my mind that it's going to be better than an exterior one. Here we are, day 3 of the cycle, and we've got a hot day ahead, 25 degrees. The weather's started out nice, even the morning it's quite warm. Oh, potholes! And we're just heading out of, I think it's Nantes? No, it's not Nantes. We were in Nantes? No. We originally thought that today was going to be a 55-mile day, but then it turned into 73 and now it's 88. So it's going to be the longest day so far. Oh, nearly went over. Right, I'm going to put this camera down before I end up going over the handlebars. There's always time for a quick break to mess around. Ready? Wrong one. Yeah, my grandparents, they had oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Left, we've got 90 miles to go and we found this place.
Right, nothing's climbing around. Let's get on the road. Stop of the day, stopping for our late breakfast. 26 miles in now, and found a very nice set of town. Look at this church.